a handy guide to that singular wonders. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to delve into the magical world of English grammar. Specifically, we're going to focus on a very important topic, using that as a demonstrative determiner. This small word can make a huge difference in how we refer to singular nouns in English. So, let's get started. That is a word we use to point to a specific thing or person. As a demonstrative determiner, that is used to refer to a singular noun. It tells us which specific thing or person we're talking about. For example, in the sentence, "I like that book." That is the demonstrative determiner pointing to the specific book you like. Remember, we often use that to refer to something that is farther away from the speaker. It could be physical distance, as in, "See that house at the end of the street?" Or, it could be figurative distance in time or context, as in, "That day was unforgettable." That can also be used to create a contrast or distinction between two or more singular entities. For example, if there are two cups on the table, one red, one blue, and you want to specify the red one, you could say, "I prefer that cup, not the blue one." That is also used when we're introducing or explaining something. When we use that in this way, it's like we're saying, "Here's the thing or person I'm talking about." For instance, in the sentence, "That's my friend Mary," the word "that" introduces Mary to the listener. We sometimes use that in exclamatory sentences to express strong emotions. For example, "That's fantastic news," or "That's a great idea." And there you have it, the versatile that in all its glory. Remember, as a demonstrative determiner, that refers to a singular noun. It can help specify distance, create contrast, introduce or explain something, or emphasize strong feelings in exclamatory sentences. Practice using that in your conversations, and you'll see how it adds specificity and clarity to your communication. Thank you for joining me in this English language learning journey. Stay tuned for more lessons to boost your grammar skills. Happy learning!